why I will never move to LA. Literally all red. If you guys don't live in California and you want to know what it is to live here with all this traffic, here's a little bit of it. And this is Monday through Sunday, not just Saturday. Nope. So make sure you really like traffic if you want to move to LA. Still stuck in traffic. I'm about to ask somebody's mom for a slide. Oh, that's a clean little wagon, bro. Badass cutter too. So we finally made it to Sheepey. That's some crazy ass cars. Gas food.
That's right. That's right.
He did it.
If I get Destroyer's car, or are they gonna be giving this one away in a raffle? Can't go wrong with the Nardo, man. boy Miguel 517. Let's go. Yes, sir. My boy Combo.
Where did the sit at? Yeah, but I think.
I've never seen this many L8s and Lambos in a day.
You gotta get ready.
Gray on gray action. Matching with the wheels. Forged carbon died. Crazy, bro. Got it alright.
This guy's body too, so now.
Turn turbos back. White to match the whip. Where the magic happens at Sheepey Race. Yeah, whistling Diesel's whip. It's like a Nardo blue color. Clean. Crazy. Teppanyaki, they're not lying when they said the king of teppanyaki. It's pretty good. 10 out of 10. My boy Miguel 517 owns it. He posts up in Paramount. Y'all can check it out. You guys are in Cali. Check out this wrap though. It looks good. Something different. 060 Studios. I'm a boy. Almost coming in hot.
What up?
You know me, you know I'm into trucks. This thing's clean right here. Got some tubs. Got a little bit of tuck going on. Get my kid. Trucking the drag setup though. Is that a Tomei dog? You know we're always repping. It's the K-Boys with the hard top. The 4-door GTS, the BBSs, right hand drive. TR, big wing boy. Another one over there. Biker boys. Baller setup right here.
Get here! Oh, man.
Damn it, boy.
I know, it's all jammed up.
Clean.
This bum hurts or something, so he couldn't be out here, so I'll do the honors. Again, thanks to all the Sheepey staff for everything they did. So I got Alex Choi here. He's going to announce a couple winners.
The urge that I have right now to go chase after to see what's going on with that cop car. Pretty insane. Before I get started with the award, I just want to say that whoever has a white Evo with the Sheepey turbo kit on the other side of the building, your car is going to get towed if you don't move it right now. White Evo, just kidding, you guys won the best JDM award.
Yeah, pretty good.
White Evo.
It wouldn't be JDM, would it?
Best JDM.
No.
White Evo.
Okay.
White Evo with a Sheepey turbo kit. Not her con Evo, a Mitsubishi Evo. Whose car is it?
If you're not here, then we're keeping it.
You guys are not here
Is it white?
with a Sheepey turbo kit?
You're the winner. Hell yeah, round of applause. Yeah, let's do one.
What part of my engine do you want?
We gotta get a picture with the girls. These girls right here, get a picture. Where's Johnny? Is there no Johnny right here?
Where's Johnny at?
Of course not. Here, I'll take a photo from my phone. It's crazy we have a paid photographer for this.
Ooh, Liberty Walk C8 Corvette. That's inside the building. I want to know how much over sticker he paid for that one. Blue Liberty Walk Corvette C8.
I think he's inside, Troy.
Where you at?
There you go. Thank you. Alright, he's here now.
Where is he?
Do dumb stuff, you get dumb consequences. Don't be doing donuts at Sheepey because they'll catch you. And just like that, we're back in town. I made it home safe. Hopefully I have enough content to make a pretty good vlog out of this one. I'm trying to talk a little more because I know in my first videos I'm a little quiet, but something new to get used to. But yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.